Welcome to the course on Fundamentals of Java Programming. In this course, you will learn the basics of Java programming language and how to write efficient and effective code using Java. This course is designed for those who are completely new to Java programming and wants to develop a strong foundation in it. In the first module, Java Fundamentals, you will learn the fundamentals of Java programming language, including its syntax, data types, and operators. You will also learn about conditional statements, loops, and functions in Java. In the second module, Code Java, you will dive deeper into Java programming by exploring topics such as exception handling, file I/O, and working with arrays. You will also learn about object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. In the third module, Loops and other essential concepts, you will learn more advanced object-oriented programming concepts, such as interfaces, abstract classes, and encapsulation. You will also explore other essential concepts such as multi-threading and concurrency. Finally, in the fourth module, Data Structure in Java, you will learn about the most commonly used data structures in Java, including arrays, list, stack, and queue. You will also learn about searching and sorting algorithms and how to implement them in Java. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of Java programming and will be able to write efficient and effective code using Java. You will also be prepared to take on more advanced topics in Java programming and further develop your skills as a Java developer. See you in the next video.